Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 4B from chapter expansions. So starting with question number 15, two positive numbers x and y are such that x is greater than y if the difference of these numbers is 5 and their product is 24. Find first part sum of these numbers, second part difference of their cubes, and third part sum of their cubes. Now first we need to simplify this word problem. Okay, we have to write it in equation form. Okay, now there are two positive numbers, both the numbers are positive. Okay, so first let us write down the statements. X and y are two positive numbers, okay, such that x is greater than y. So x is greater than y. This is greater number, this is smaller number. The difference of these numbers is 5. Difference, okay. Now difference matlab subtraction of two numbers. So difference of these numbers. Now x is greater and y is smaller, so greater minus smaller I'll take. Okay, greater minus smaller. X minus y is 5. Is matlab is equal to 5. So difference of these numbers, difference of greater number minus smaller number. Don't take y minus x, x minus y, otherwise your answer will go wrong over here because we are given x is greater than y. Okay, so x minus y lenge, not y minus x. So this is the first condition. So we'll just write down difference of the numbers is 5. Therefore this, their product is 24. Product matlab multiplication. Okay, so x into y is matlab is equal to 24. Product of the numbers is 24. So x into y is equal to 24. That is xy is equal to 24. We got two things over here. Okay. Now we have to find first part mein sum of these numbers. Sum of these numbers. I know difference of these numbers. I don't know the sum of these numbers. Okay. So we have to find in first part sum, that is addition of these numbers. There are two numbers given, so addition of these numbers. Kya hai? I have to find x plus y. Now can I find x plus y directly? No. I don't know any identity for x plus y. So what I'll do, I'll find x plus y the whole square instead. But before finding x plus y the whole square, I'll square the given information. Always square the given information. Okay. Then only you will be able to find the square of the to find part. Okay. So let us write this down again. Okay, so in first part we have to find sum of these numbers. So sum of x and y, that is x plus y find karna hai. Now we know that x minus y is equal to 5. Okay, so let us square this on both the side and find whatever possible. Okay, because we cannot find this directly. I don't know the value of x square plus y square. Okay, even if I want to find x square plus 2xy plus y square, this is the expanded form. I know value of xy. Xy ka value I got 24. But do I know value of x square plus y square? No, I can find that only from this part. So I need to square this on both the sides. So x minus y the whole square is equal to 5 square. put brackets, square on both the sides. Okay, squaring on both the sides give reason. This is of the form a minus b the whole square, so it is a square minus 2ab, 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 25. Okay, now I know value of xy, it is 24, so 2 into 24, okay, plus y square is equal to 25. So this is x square plus y square minus 48. I shifted this on the other side, is equal to 25. Now I'll shift 48 on the other side. Okay, so in next step this will get shifted, so हो जाएगा plus 48. So x square plus y square will become 73. ठीक है, so we got value of x square plus y square. Now we'll try to find x plus y. Okay, now x plus y, can I find it directly? No, I don't know any identity for this. So what I'll do, I'll find the whole square instead. ठीक है, what is x plus y the whole square? It is of the form a plus b the whole square. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now x square plus y square, इसका value I just found, so I'll group them together, so I can substitute the value. Plus 2xy, xy का value also I know, so I'll substitute that also. 73 plus 2 into 24, so 73 plus 48, so this will give 121. Okay, so x plus y the whole square is equal to 21. Now students, I don't want x plus y the whole square, I need to find some of these numbers, that is x plus y only. So what I'll do, I'll take square root on both the sides. So x plus y the whole square है, take square root, take square root. Now normally when we take square root, what do? We put plus or minus sign, because the root can be positive as well as negative. Okay, so over here we will not take positive and negative values both, we will take only positive value, because the numbers are positive over here. It is mentioned two positive numbers. Okay, so x and y दोनों positive है, so square का square root, okay, this will get cancelled and eventually we are left with x plus y. So x plus y is equal to square root of 121. Okay, we will not take negative value, not plus or minus 121, minus नहीं consider करेंगे because the numbers are positive over here. Okay, so square and square root get cancelled, so we are left with x plus y. Square root of 121 is 11, only plus 11, not minus 11. Why? Because x and y both are positive numbers. Okay, now x plus y is equal to 11, we got first part, so box the answer. Now in second part we need to find difference of their cubes. Okay, difference of their cubes, difference put minus sign, difference of cubes plural है, so there are two cubes, difference of cubes, x cube minus y cube, don't take y cube minus x cube, x is greater number, y is smaller number. Okay, so to get positive answer you should take x cube minus y cube. Okay, so difference of their cubes we have to find. Now this is what we have to find, so what we will do, we know that x minus y, okay, is equal to 5. Difference of the numbers is 5, we had framed earlier, x minus y is equal to 5. So we'll derive this from this only. X plus y will not be useful over here because ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब का फॉर्म है तो उसके लिए ए माइनस बी चाहिए. देयर शुड बी नेगेटिव साइन. ओके, over here there is negative sign, here there is positive sign, so I cannot cube this to get this. To get this I need to take negative. Okay, so I'm taking this over here and now I'll cube it on both the sides. So x minus y, put brackets cube, 5 put brackets cube, cubing on both the sides. Simple. Now this is of the form a minus b the whole cube, so it is a cube, that is x cube, minus 3ab, so 3 into xy, a minus b, so x minus y, minus y cube, that is b cube. Okay, if you remember the other formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, then you can use that also, but you need to take eventually 3xy common from both the middle terms. Okay, so eventually you will get this identity. All right, now x cube minus 3 into xy का value, xy का value is 24, x minus y का value is 5 and minus y cube. Over here I forgot to put 125, 125, 5 cube is 125. So please don't forget to put this. Okay, अगर ये RHS भूल गए then how will you find the value? So don't forget to put this. Okay, cube it properly. You are supposed to know the cubes till 30. Okay, now let us multiply these numbers. So x cube minus 3 into 24 into 5. Okay, so 3 5s are 15, 15 into 24 करते हैं, 24 into 15, so that will give 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 0 4 2, so 0 है, 6 है, 360. Okay, so minus 360 minus y cube is equal to 125. We'll shift this on the other side, so x cube minus y cube is equal to 125 plus 360, this becomes positive, so this gives 485. Okay, box this. So we got difference of their cubes, so write down the final statement, difference of their cubes is so and so. Also for first part write down sum of the numbers is 11. Okay, write down the statement because over here you are asked in statement form. Okay, so just to be on safer side, write it in statement form. Okay, now we got cubes, difference of cubes. In third part we have to find sum of their cubes. For difference we took x minus y, for sum of the cubes we'll take x plus y. Okay, difference के लिए negative वाला लिया and for sum we'll take positive वाला. Okay, so coming to third part, sum of their cubes, that is sum of x cube plus y cube. This is what you have to find. Okay, please don't make mistake, cube of sum नहीं बोला है, cube of sum is cube of sum. Okay, you're not asked this is wrong, you're asked this. Okay, so please don't make this mistake, read the question very very carefully. There is plural over here, so there are two cubes, you take x cube, y cube, and then you have to find the sum of this. Okay, now for this we'll consider x plus y, so x plus y is equal to 11. This is what we got. Okay, now we'll cube it on both the sides because we have to find cube. So x plus y, put brackets cube, is equal to 11, put brackets cube. Now over here this is a plus b the whole cube, so it is a cube plus 3ab, that is 3xy, bracket a plus b, that is x plus y, plus b cube. Okay, you should know the identities. These are basic identities that I've told you to memorize. Please refer to the video of expansion of cubes if you don't know these identities. Okay, so students, please learn these identities. I've given you easy way of learning these identities. Now 11 ka cube is 1331. Okay, now x cube plus 3 into xy is 24. X plus y is 11 plus y cube is equal to 1331. X cube plus 3 11s are 33 into 24. 24 into 33. So 792 plus y cube is equal to 1331. We'll shift this on the other side in next step. So I'm just shifting it over here only. ठीक है? There is shortage of space, so I'm just shifting over here only. 792 है, negative हो जाएगा. So there's 1331, 792. Okay? So this will become 9. So become 3. We are 1. So 5. 539. So 539. So x cube plus y cube is equal to 539. Box this and write down the final statement. Sum of the cubes is 539. Okay. Coming to next question. Question number 16. If 4x square plus y square is equal to a and xy is equal to b, find the value of 2x plus y. So we'll write down the given first. Okay. We are given 4x square plus y square is equal to a and xy is equal to b. We have to find the value of 2x plus y. So in given over here there are squares and in to find part we don't have squares. Okay, we have to find 2x plus y. Now notice 2x इसका square कर देंगे, then what do we get? 4x square. So we have this over here. Y we square it, so y square. We have that also over here. But this is not an identity. Do we know identity for this? No. So what we will do over here, students, take this to find part, write it down. 2x plus y. We have to find this. Now, can we find it directly? No. So what we will do? We will square it. We will try to find the square of this thing. Okay, we have to find 2x plus y. Let us square it. So 2x plus y, put brackets, the whole square. Okay, am I given some value? I'm not given the value over here. So I'm just squaring this thing only. So when I square, it is of the form a plus b the whole square. Apply the identity and expand. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now we'll write the expanded form. A square plus 2ab, okay, plus b square. ठीक है. So 2 का square 4, x का square x square. Multiply the numbers first. 2 into 2 4 xy plus y square. Now look at the given part. 4x square plus y square, I know the value. I can substitute a. xy is b, so I can substitute that. So let us make the substitutions now. 4x square plus y square. So I need to group this first. I'll group this. Now in next step I'll substitute the value. Plus 4xy. 4x square plus y square is nothing but a. Okay. 4xy. I know xy ka value, so I'll substitute that. 4 into b. I'm just making substitutions over here. Okay. So what did we do? 2x plus y we need to find, but can I find it directly? No. So what I'll do, I'll put brackets, square it. Okay, so this is of the form a plus b the whole square. Expand using the identity. Okay, solve it further and make substitutions. xy ka value 4x square plus y square ka value. so it is a plus 4b. Okay, so 2x plus y the whole square is a plus 4b. Okay, so now we don't have x and y over here. Okay, this is the simplified form. Now I don't want this whole square, I don't want square form, I just want value of 2x plus y. So what I'll do, I'll take square root on both the sides. So we'll take square root on both the sides now. So 2x plus y the whole square is equal to a plus 4b. This is what I have. Now I'm taking square root. So put square root, put square root. Now whenever you take square root, the value can be positive or negative. This is the value of 2x plus y, so this can be positive or negative. Okay, so write down the reason taking square root on both the sides. Okay, square and square root, they cancel out each other, so we are left with 2x plus y. Okay, is equal to plus or minus root of a plus 4b. I cannot take square root of this. Okay, so I'll keep this as it is. So 2x plus y is equal to plus or minus root of a plus 4b. Okay, box this. Okay,